Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. If you want to, you can also go into devices settings, scroll down, click on location section over here, and manage location of this device by clicking on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!